Thunderstorms and flash floods have struck parts of southern England, causing flash flooding in large areas of central London. Intense downpours began in London and swept the southeast on Wednesday. Torrential downpours are battering the UK capital today, leaving many places flooded and forcing several tube stations to close. Water has been seen pouring into train stations and onto roads after thunderstorms hit London Wednesday afternoon. Meanwhile, the gym in the House of Parliament was also hit by unwanted water. The torrential rain caused major flash flooding shortly after the capital was warned that it could expect a repeat of last year's biblical storms, which caused millions of pounds in damage.